Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over another Leetcode question, Palindrome Linked List. Major tech companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, LinkedIn are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. Given a single linked list, determine if it's a palindrome. This is a very common question. This is very you will see this question quite often in the interviews, and there are too many likes here. And we have two examples here. Example 1 and 2 false, 1 2 2 1 true. Could you do it in O and time and O one space? Let's understand what a palindrome is. A palindrome is a word phrase sequence that reads the same backwards as forwards. Madam, nurses run. A sequence that reads the same backwards as forwards. Excuse me. So this is not a palindrome. There is no backward here. But this one reads forward the same, backward the same. And we need to find out if this is a palindrome linked list. So let's get on the whiteboard and try to solve this question. So this is the linked list we have, and we are going to use two-pointer approach, like how we do in many linked list questions. And one pointer is going to go 2 steps at a time, and the other one goes 1 step at a time, like tortoise and hare approach. And we will find the middle of the linked list, then we will reverse the right half and start comparing each node's value one by one until we find if it's a palindrome. Let's see. First, we have 2 pointers, fast and slow. And fast walks 2 steps at a time and slow walks 1 step at a time. Let's get fast 1, 2. Fast is equal to fast that next, and slow is equal to slow that next. Fast is equal to fast that next. Fast is not null, fast next is not null, so fast is equal to fast that next, and slow is equal to slow that next. And now fast is null, and this breaks. And for odd nodes, we have to check if fast is null, then we say slow that next. Now we need to reverse the right half. So slow is in the middle now. I recorded a video for reversing a linked list. If you want to see how that works in detail, you can watch that video. That's a like 10-minute video, so you can check that out if you like. So slow is in the middle and fast is hit the end. So we reverse the right half. So this is how it looks now. We reverse the right half and fast is here. Now, this is a 3-step process. The first step we walk through, we find the middle of the linked list, then reversed it. Now, slow is in the beginning of the right half, and fast is the beginning of the left half. Then we will, with the while loop, when slow is not null, we will start comparing. We'll make them go step by step. If slow is not null, we check if fast that value is equal to slow that value. So excuse me. So we check if fast that value is equal to slow that value. Fast that value is 1, slow that value is 1. Yes, they're equal, so we continue. Then what we do is slow that next, and fast is fast that next. Then we again check if slow is null, no. Then fast that value is equal to slow that value. We check again. If they're not equal, that means these nodes are different, so we return false. But in this case, they're same. So what do we do is slow is equal to slow that next. Fast is equal to fast that next. And we finally hit slow is not null returns false, and we say this is a palindrome and these are the same. Let's see this in the code. So I hope this makes sense to you. Let me explain quickly again. First, we use two-step approach. The fast goes 2 times faster. We find the middle of the linked list, reverse the right half, then put the slow pointer in the right half head and fast pointer in the first half's head. Then start making them walk towards each other one step at a time, towards the nulls. And when they hit the null, we check if they're palindrome. So let's do this. And this is how it looks in the code. I will explain one last time. Fast and slow pointers. Fast, as long as it's not null, next is not null. Fast walks 2 step at a time, slow walks 1 step at a time. For odd number of nodes, when there is odd number of nodes, we need to check if fast is null again, and slow, we do slow that next. Then we reverse the slow. Then we reverse the linked list. This is how we reverse the linked list. Again, if you want to see how to reverse a linked list, there's a video I explain for about 10 minutes. So you can watch that. This is how we reverse the linked list. Then set the first pointer and start checking each node, values, comparison, then making the pointers move. And finally return true. If one of the values is missing, if one of the values is not same, we return false and we break. Otherwise, finally, if this while loop is passed, then we return true. That's all there is to it. So let's submit and see. This looks like it works. So this is pretty much it for this question, and I hope it was helpful, and I hope it makes sense to you. And I have more videos coming up, so if you subscribe to my channel, we can meet again in the near future. And don't forget to hit the like button too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.